My name is Taras and I'm the founder of Tarform. About 5 years ago, I was working on the Triumph Scrambler in my garage here in Brooklyn, New York. It was leaking oil and it was smelly and dirty. And I thought, why don't we have electric motorcycles yet? And decided to build one, which turned into a new kind of mobility company. Besides putting a battery inside of a motorcycle, we wanted to rethink the entire process of how we're making them. The current vehicle industry is based on the concept of planned obsolescence, which means most vehicles are designed to break. And we wanted to move away from that and create a vehicle that can be upgraded, where you only repair the things that have to be repaired. A vehicle that is made out of sustainable and natural materials that are recyclable, and build a machine that is built to last. It took us about 2 years to build the first 2 prototypes. Since then, the bike has been on display at the Peterson Design Museum in Los Angeles, at the Gallery of Modern Art in Queensland. And what we noticed is that a lot of people who are not traditional bikers got inspired by the design and the concept. This year, we're going to start building the first vehicles called the Tarform Founder Edition. They're all going to be handmade here in Brooklyn. Learnings come from moving past what you believe is impossible. If you set out to create something that doesn't exist or seems to be intimidating or complex, our natural reaction is to move away from that. But when you move past it, you realize that as long as it doesn't defy the laws of physics, it's probably possible. And then make sure you have the right support system around you, people who believe in you, people who help you, and have courage to keep going. The biggest influence are not a specific person, but I try to find insights from people across multiple fields of people who are doing something innovative in science and technology and design and sustainability, and try to absorb as much knowledge as possible. You can learn more about Tarform on tarform.com, our Instagram, and soon you'll see them on the streets. And be safe and keep going.